Morning, guys. Jeff Preventure, High Gear Automotive out of Rochester, New Hampshire here. Just got called to go plow some snow. It's Saturday morning, a little after 4 o'clock, and gonna go see what we end up with. Not much happening right now, but supposed to get rolling pretty fast and hard. So we'll see what we end up with today. But hopefully we get a lot of snow. Can't wait. So just stopped at the Cumbies, grabbed my coffee and snacks, and was really looking forward to my normal maple donuts they sell here, and apparently I don't carry them anymore. That's a huge disappointment. That's really gonna screw my day up a little bit, not having those donuts. But I don't know, guess they've been gone for a year. Been a while since I bought them, I suppose. That would make sense. About a year. So yeah, anyway. But in other news, we got this clown right behind me here in this landscape truck, sander, plow dude, and an entire parking lot, an entire empty parking lot all around us. Spots everywhere. And he parks like right behind me, to my side here. What a jerk. What an idiot. Anyway, alright, let's get rolling.
Okay, ask the buzz for you. My husband and I have a 6-month-old puppy. She's a Beagle Lab mix. I'm currently working full-time from home. My husband works full-time away from home and has an hour commute both ways each day. I want to put the puppy in part-time daycare to give me peace and let me focus on my work. I found someone who lives 4 miles away, willing to watch the puppy Monday through Wednesday mornings, $40 a week. My husband says it's a waste of money and I should trade her during the day. Again, she's 6 months old, so can you imagine the energy she has? What do you guys think? Should I trade her or daycare? It says mornings, Monday to Wednesday mornings, $40 a week.
So, just left the Cumbies there, got my iced coffee. Start off with that. Got my hot coffee down there in the console waiting for me later. Hopefully it'll be relatively warm when I get to that point. So we'll see. But that's gonna help a lot. I don't know how much sleep we got. We probably got, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 hours if I'm lucky. So a little tired already. Go for a nap, huh? That'd be great. Fortunately, I'm not much of a napper. But, I don't know. For another fun day in the sun. Hope everybody stays safe out there. Nice and warm and dry. Good times, good times.
These nerds. Like of all things for a guy who's a blistering guitarist, you may not like Green, but Mark Tremonti can play. And I mean, as good as he is on guitar, probably even better ping pong player. I'll tell you that. Good album. There's one good album. No, I'm not. I'm just saying, if people aren't fans, you know. But the One Hit Wonder tour, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Four Non Blondes. Yeah, they didn't have any other ones? Nope.
Truck's an animal. Pushing up the hill. 9-foot blade, 2-wheel drive, no problem. There's no weight in the bed or anything. Just gripping and ripping. So, it's gonna be quite a day. Quite a day. I already need to make a bathroom stop too. We just started. To do that sooner than later. Alright, so what we got here is today's plowing junk food recommendation of the day. And today we're going with these TGI Friday potato skins. I think we got the cheddar and sour cream here today. These are addictive as hell. These are great. Just keep munching on these all day long if I had the supply. But they're pretty good. Very, very good. Yep. So, thumbs up for those. TGI Fridays, cheddar, sour cream, the win. Very, very good. Thanks for today's episode. going so far today. It's about 8:15 morning right now, and snow's it's falling. You know, visibility isn't that great, but it's not really coming down heavy. It's just it's very light, extremely light. There's no traffic out here at all, really, to speak of. You know, Saturday morning, so that's making it pretty simple. Not too many cars out, but it's pretty quiet. Pretty quiet. They say, you know, I haven't looked at the weather, any reports or anything since last night, but they were saying 2 to 3 inches an hour in I think it was like around lunchtime, midday. So we'll see if that shows up. I don't know. There's not much out here right now. I don't know. It's a little windy, so there's some light drifting going around. It's very light snow, but a lot of spots I still see grass. You know, you can see short grass coming up through the snow. There can't be that much snow. I'd be surprised if there's, I don't know, I'd be surprised if there's 2 or more than 2, you know, inches of snow out here. I don't even think there's 3 inches of snow, so not much going on, so we'll see what happens. Kind of curious. Gonna check the weather reports here and see if they changed anything or what, but I don't know. Not much going on. Not much going on. Not a bad thing. I mean, if it stayed like this, all day, that would be pretty simple. That's easy money. It's easy money. We'll just keep on going. Keep on going. Right? Keep on keeping on. Alright. Well, been out here for I've been out for around 4 hours now, and it's time to head back to the highway garage here to take care of a little personal business. Getting a little odorific here in the truck. Go lighten the load up a little bit. Different scenery from the regular route here for you. Tell you what, I feel a little bit lighter now, huh? Jeez. That's a load off my mind. Alright. Get out of here and get back to it.